Hi guys, so today we're doing our first Christmas in lockdown and it's a bit depressing because nobody can come over and we can't go over anywhere, but we are making the best of it. This is a sticky toffee bundt cake that's going to go in the oven for pudding, and meanwhile my sister is making roast lamb and roast chicken with all the trimmings. So this is the lamb that my sister is making. It's got lots of nice spices and things in it. Almost done, so we're just going to put this back in the oven. And inside the oven we have roast potatoes, carrots, parsnips and some chicken. My sister's just finishing off the roast potatoes and they look amazing. What's in this?
Garlic and rosemary.
Yum.
Honey glazed carrots and parsnips.
The chicken's just being finished off. And what kind of glaze do we have?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard is going to be really good. So everything's looking nice, and once the plates are set, or places are set, we'll put the food out, which is almost ready. The sticky toffee bundt cake is out of the oven. Look how amazing it looks. I love bundt cakes. So I'm going to put some of the sauce that I make, the butterscotch sauce, on top of the cake and then turn it over, and I'll add some more, and we're going to serve this with custard. Time to make the Yorkshire pudding. So it's got milk and eggs in here. I'm just going to add the flour, and meanwhile the oil is heating in the oven. So this is so perfect with any kind of roast. I just enlisted the help of my sister-in-law to give me a hand with the stirring. When you make Yorkshire pudding, it's really important to stir it really well. I've got a recipe coming up soon on my channel, so do look out for that as well. So my sister's also making some really nice mashed potato. It looks really creamy. And I've got broccoli there as well.
Ooh, what's this?
Mary, look at that.
How does it open? Uh-oh. Yeah? Wow. Ooh,
Wow.
chocolate. Yay. Yay.
Nuri's got a giant Ferrero Rocher egg chocolate thing. Look at that. Wow. Wow, and you've got mini ones inside too. Got some homemade chicken nuggets here for Nuri, our niece, because she's extra special. They look amazing. And Nuri's having her homemade chicken nugget. Wow, look at this. Lamb is out of the oven. Looks absolutely delicious. Yorkshire pudding is out of the oven. Meanwhile, the table is coming along very nicely. Look at that. Perfectly crispy on the outside and it's going to be nice and soft on the inside. Let's serve up. Those delicious chicken legs. The table is all set, as you can see. Doesn't that look amazing? First we have this delicious lamb with roast potatoes that are cooked with rosemary and olive oil and other spices, garlic I think. Got carrots and parsnips, broccoli, Yorkshire pudding, some delicious chicken legs, gravy of course, and mashed potatoes. And that's Nuri in the background. She can't wait to get stuck in. Sticky toffee pudding cake is ready to be drenched in this butterscotch sauce. Look how delicious it looks. So I'm going to pour some of this over the top and reserve some for later. Probably add a little bit on top of as well. I'll show you when I turn it out onto a plate so you can see the bundt cake shape. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a very happy new year. Hopefully next year will be better. And I hope you're enjoying yourselves with your loved ones inside the home. We've got our niece here who's very excited to eat all the food. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And I will see you next year, hopefully in the new year.